Said cost na you have to earn your own money. Ano ba ang saan mo to ilalagay? Or what are you planning to purchase? Or ano ba para sa sarili mo?
Na yun kasi
Savings?
Savings lang talaga. Iubunin ko na lang yung pera ko kasi in this job din naman, di mo alam kung anong mangyayari. So, savings muna talaga. Habang bata pa ako, di ba? Habang nagtatrabaho ako, gusto kong mag-save.
May nabili ka na ba sa first paycheck mo?
Dati nung nasa high school ako, yung first paycheck ko ng sa commercial, puro mga bagay lang, mga sapatos, gano'n. Doon pa, kasi bata pa ako. Pero na yun, di na masyado, iniipon ko talaga yung pera ko.
So, kung leading lady naman, sino yung mga dream leading ladies mo, if top of mind?
Wala, di ko masabi. Marami, di ko masabi. Next time na lang. Next time.
Nakakasanayan mo na ba na kinakikiligan ka ng mga girls sa leading girls?
Actually, di pa ako sanay sa totoo lang sa mga kiligan. Pero, you get used to it slowly. I appreciate it a lot palagi kasi it's nice to hear, it's nice to feel that people actually see me that way, and I really appreciate that kind of support. But yun lang.
But I'm sure in public nalalapitan ka na, may mga nagpapapicture na. How do you handle
Meron naman po, pero I'm super grateful na that gets to happen. Kasi unang-una, when someone comes up to me na gano'n and they want a picture or they at least want to converse naman, I'm very happy to entertain them naman, to have a picture with them. Kasi I just want to make their day, diba? Kung when they leave me naman, I want them thinking na, wait naman niyan das, diba? You really made me smile today.
May limitation ka ba when giving in to family? Because like pag kumakain ka bawal, when you're talking to your family bawal, or kung pwede wag, may ganun ka.
Sorry, Paul?
Meron ka bang limitation when it comes to accommodating your fans? Like, kasi yung iba diba ayaw magpa-picture pag kumakain naman na kami. Or yung iba when they're out with your family, private time. Ikaw ba may ganun ka?
No naman po. Basta when they ask me or when they come up to me, they're always nice talaga. I haven't had a moment na may bastos or whatever. They're really always nice. So, respectful din.
And you always say yes to request?
Always.
Ano ko na, ginawin mo na rin, how true na nag-date, nakalabas ka, nakapag-date ka, and yung dated, Kailin. Anong totoo doon?
What? Sorry po?
Si Kailin, kaantaka.
No po. I've met her with Tosh, pero dating I never did. Nakita pa rin yun, I never
No time for dating ka pa?
Right now kasi I just started work, so just really focus lang talaga sa trabaho ko.